might be time for another video. What we've got here is I had to get some of the structure from the jig out of the way, so we glued the number 1 and 2 stations in. So we've got it glued to the keel, the inner keel, and the chine log here, and that holds it in place. And then I kind of cleared the way out because we're going to put this shear clamp in and try and run it all the way to the stem right up here. So it's got to kind of curve both in and up, which should be down in this case, towards the floor. So it's going to have to touch here, 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 and then it's more of a bend than a solid piece could make. So what we've done is cut a scarf here, and we're going to do it in 3 different thinner pieces. It would be different thicknesses depending on how bendable the wood that you're using is. This is Douglas fir here, and so we're just going to try and dry fit it in place to make sure we can make these bends. This kind of shows you the idea here, because same thing here, I couldn't really make this bend with a solid piece, so we did it in 3 pieces and then just epoxied it right on this joint, and then we could make the bend. And we'll clean all that up later, but we're trying to get those in today, the 2 shear clamps, and that would finish up the rails, and then we can concentrate on the keel. We got most of the keel in, but you can see where that string line is. It's going to finish that up, and we'll see how far we get. So we'll just dry fit this one piece, make sure that we can make those bends, and then trim it to our length. And then once we have that, we can see if we can get the other pieces cut, fit, and hopefully by the end of the day we'll have that all in clamps. So we'll see.